Good afternoon, everyone. It's market update time. Mortgage rates are continuing to rise. They're at 7.11% this week from the 7.06% in the previous week. These interest rate hikes are finally starting to show their effect on the Southwest Florida real estate market. The median sales price this week for single-family homes and condos in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and North Fort Myers was $374,000, which is a 5.32% decrease from the previous week's median sales price of $395,000. There were also 538 new listings, 37 expired listings, and 329 sold listings compared to the previous week's 519 new listings, 122 expired listings, and 410 solds. New inventory is up by 19 listings and sold homes are down by 81. 85 less listings expired off the market as well. With a couple more homes going on the market and considerably less homes getting taken off the market through selling or expiring, it was a slow week in the Southwest Florida real estate market. Median sales price also decreased 5.32%, which means buyers are starting to pay less for homes. Whether through sellers having their homes on the markets for extended periods of time, eventually capitulating and selling for less, or by buyers simply being unwilling or unable to pay asking price for homes with rising interest rates, we've seen a sharp decrease in sales price in the last week. As a cash buyer, you're in a good position to look for deals and purchase a home as prices are starting to come down. And as a finance buyer, you can potentially find a home that fits your budget. As home values are starting to come down, you can make your monthly payments work. With the rising interest rates, you can always look to refinance the property in the future if the interest rates do come down. However, do not bank on this and make sure that you can afford any home that you purchase. As a seller, you need to ensure that you're using proper marketing materials and pricing the home correctly. This will ensure a smooth and quick sale and not have your home on the market for extended periods of time. Whether buying or selling, it's important to work with a knowledgeable and experienced real estate agent who can guide you through the process every step of the way and make sure that your best interests are protected. I work with buyers, sellers, and investors all over the Southwest Florida community. I specialize in utilizing cutting-edge online marketing strategies to get the most for your home, and I provide state-of-the-art white glove service and education for both my buyers and sellers. If you or anyone you know are looking to buy or sell a property, I'd love to assist you. I can be reached anytime by call or text at 239-634-8639 or by email at contact@bradenmilner.com. You can also check out my website, www.bradenmilner.com, for my full list of seller services, educational resources, property search, and much more. That's all for now. Again, my name is Braden Milner and I'm with Florida Future Realty. If you have any further questions about the Southwest Florida real estate market, I'd love to assist you. I'll see you all next week for your next market update.